In this video I will show you Windows 11 22H2 released officially, how to get installed Windows 11 22H2. Windows 11 22H2 stable version released. Here you can see 3 ways to get Windows 11 22H2. You can update using Update tool. See latest version of Windows install in my computer. You can update using Media Creation tool. Choose your media tool to install Windows 11 22H2. I select my USB flash drive. After finish, your flash drive able to bootable to Windows 11 22H2. You can update download ISO disk image. See ISO disk image downloading. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.